For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to deliver a computerized resource, the biggest digital money. That would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability and influence. Every one of the obstacles and creative whimsies encompassing digital forms of money were settled when Charles Hoskinson instituted Cardano. Cardano, profitable computerized resource. Charles Hoskinson, fellow benefactor of Ethereum himself, didn't realize that he was in for marvelous increases when he made ad-libs in his esteemed computerized posterity, making Cardano wipe out all blemishes and limits, giving the world a one-stop arrangement. Cardano network battles all deterrents concerning versatility, interoperability, and administration. Allow us to view a portion of its special elements. One upheld by a committed group of experts working really hard to guarantee the instrument of Cardano is tailor-made to suit financial backer necessities. 2. In every minute of everyday nonstop visit and email support guarantee financial backers generally partake in the imperative hand-holding while at the same time doing any exchanges. 3. Setting higher client benchmarks. This cryptographic money market intends to create unmistakable profit for every one of its financial backers. 4. Being an open-source code program. The usefulness of Cardano works on perfectly clear straightforwardness as well as exchange privacy in the organization. It will give unmatched security to dApps and social orders. 5. The zero divulgence proof places the power in the possession of a definitive client, working with the whole exchange technique's numerical consistency. 6. The instrument of the Cardano blockchain is conceptualized to such an extent that it guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. 7. Cardano can trap deceitful or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the former block. 8. ADA proprietors can procure prizes by imparting their stake to a stake pool run by others, or they can run their own stake pool. Cardano establishment, the people group impressions. The people group at the Cardano project means to convey financial additions to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of teaching and cautioning them on all the lowdown of the crypto world. The establishment gave to Cardano establishment's undertaking has support from InfoResult Hong Kong and Emergo. Taking on the total sanction of liability towards financial backer social reason, Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK cares for the surface. Together, they edit the inventive peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal techniques particulars. The entire portfolio is fastidiously examined and inspected by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is profoundly forceful in spreading mass consciousness of the computerized resource ADA upheld by training on blockchain and DeFi areas with ministers, promoters, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate systems makes Cardano stand apart from its friends and fundamentally influences different industry sections. Frederick Gregard, the CEO, has the vision as of now crucially cut for the corporate Cardano establishment has a committed and top-quality ability base, which will take Cardano higher than ever, and I guess that the following couple of years will be a critical development period for the convention. Cardano, the new overhauls. There were a great deal of moves up to Cardano's shrewd agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most effective redesign. The Alonzo Purple overhaul got a monstrous change-savvy contracts. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens and upset the chain. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May. However, the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its versatility to more readily oblige the new clients. Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs fit for taking care of 1,000 exchanges each second. Assuming it is valid, Cardano will be the most elevated scaling network on the planet. Cardano Value History and Specialized Examination. Cardano is the 7th biggest digital currency by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has a tremendous market cap of $12,953,826,843. The development in ADA is basically because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has declared one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. In any case, 2022 has not been entirely ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto lord, Bitcoin. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging a scope of 31 cents to 38 cents. After ADA's cost hit $1.59 in January, it persistently exchanged at lower values. It even neglected to hold its drawn-out help of 40 cents. ADA endeavored a recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example supported areas of strength for buy in spite of the unfavorable market patterns from mid-walk. In the wake of coming to the $1.20 mark, the cost of Cardano confronted a huge rectification and fell beneath $1. Right now, the value activity of Cardano reflects negative energy. A DA USD could keep on confronting impermanent revision up to its past help of 13 cents. In any case, according to our Cardano forecasts, the money will record a cost recuperation when the market settles. Cardano value expectation 2023 as per our ADA estimates. The coin might exchange a scope of 33 cents to 80 cents for the year 2023, where the base cost is 33 cents. And the greatest cost is 80 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around 56 cents. ADA value expectation 2024. The base and greatest costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around 64 cents and 97 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost figure, is supposed to be around 81 cents. Cardano value expectation 2025 to 2025 is the year when at last the coin might cross its $1 mark again, with a greatest exchanging worth of $1.32, while the base future cost is supposed to be 86 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $1.09. Cardano expectation 2026. The ADA cost could change somewhere in the range of $1.17 and $1.79 in 2026, where the previous is the most minimal cost and the last option is the greatest cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost forecast. The typical worth expected for the year is $1.48. Cardano value expectation 2027 as indicated by our ADA cost expectation. The base, normal, and most extreme costs for the year are supposed to be $1.41, $1.78, and $2.15 separately. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and assuming that you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, brokers can acquire incredible benefits. ADA coin value expectation 2028 in light of past execution and Cardano conjecture for 2028. The base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $1.82 and $2.78, while the typical ADA cost might be $2.30 for the year 2028. Cardano value expectation 2029 according to our ADA cost forecast. The base and greatest costs might be around $1.96 and $2.99 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is determined to be $2.47. The cost change for the year according to our ADA gauges is supposed to be over half. Cardano value expectation 2030 when it is 2030. Our ADA cost forecast 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $2.59 and $3.96. Simultaneously, our Cardano value expectation 2030 recommends that the typical worth might be $3.28 all year long. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town the ADA coin will progress forward the upswing. The Cardano gauge proposes that the ADA cost could cross the most extreme cost of $2.77 toward the finish of 2029. The base cost may be around $1.09 according to their ADA cost forecast 2025. In light of our Cardano forecast, it is a terrible long-haul venture. Your ongoing venture might be downgraded in the future as it is a high-risk resource, according to the ADA figure. Cardano, or so far as that is concerned, some other digital currency, can be impacted by different